Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks with Robinhood. First, download the Robinhood app and create your account. You'll need to provide some personal details for verification. Next, link your bank account to easily deposit funds. You can start with as little as a few dollars to begin investing. This initial setup is quick and secure, getting you ready to explore the market. Once your account is set up, it's time to find stocks. Use the search bar to look for specific companies you're interested in. You can also browse different market sectors or see what stocks are trending. Before investing, always review a company's profile, recent news, and any available analyst ratings to make informed decisions. When you're ready to buy, select the stock and tap Trade. You'll choose an order type, like a market order to buy at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price. Then, enter the number of shares you want, or a dollar amount for fractional shares. Review your order carefully before swiping up to submit it. After buying stocks, regularly check your portfolio's performance within the app. You can set up price alerts to notify you of significant changes in stocks you own or are watching. Remember, investing is a long-term journey. Consider diversifying your investments across different companies and sectors to help manage risk over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.